English Step by Step, Third Conditional, Step 2. In this video lesson you'll find a practice exercise on Third Conditional, and then when you've finished you can move on to the Step 3 video to find the answers. Now, before doing this practice exercise you can watch the Step 1 video in which I talk about the form and the meaning with some variations on third conditionals. So here's the practice exercise. Now for this one you have to complete some sentences. So complete the sentences below, choose the correct pairs of verbs from the list and change them, if necessary, into the correct form. So these verbs here are not in order. So you have to find the pair of verbs which fits the sentence, because each sentence needs two verbs. And of course you have to think about the form of the verb. Do you need would? Do you need past perfect? Which verbs? And change the form of the verbs to make these sentences. And you can see some of them are negative. So here we have a sentence beginning with if, and then the main clause should be connected. So find the pair of verbs which is logical for each sentence, and then you can complete it and check the answers in the next video. Now I'm going to leave the exercise up on the screen for a minute, but of course you can pause the video and write down the answers on a piece of paper before moving on to check the answers.